Welcome, fellow tech enthusiasts, to an exciting adventure in the world of MariaDB. As many of you know, MariaDB is the successor to MySQL, and today, we're going to explore how to configure this powerful database service on AlmaLinux 9.2. To begin, we'll cover the essential task of installing MariaDB using the dnf install command. It's a straightforward process, and we'll guide you through it step by step. Once we've got MariaDB on board, we'll use systemtool to start the service and ensure it's running smoothly. We'll also discuss firewall configuration. In this video, we've decided to keep external access off, opting for localhost access and the potential use of an SSH tunnel to bolster security. Database security is crucial, so we'll walk you through the mysql_secure_ installation command to safeguard your database from potential threats. For the database enthusiasts out there, we'll delve into user management. You'll learn how to log into the system, check initial databases, and access user information. Additionally, we'll cover the creation of new databases and users, empowering you to take control of your database environment. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of how to install, secure, and manage MariaDB on AlmaLinux 9.2. So, without further ado, let's embark on your journey to master MariaDB. Sudo dnf install MariaDB server is the command to install both client and server program. Now enable the database service and start it using systemtool. Check the status. The database service is running, and we need to check the firewall status. The firewall is not allowing access on the public interface. Database security is crucial, so we'll guide you through the mysql_secure_ installation command, which plays a vital role in safeguarding your database from potential threats. You'll start by setting the password for the root user and then respond to the other questions as demonstrated in this tutorial. Now, let's log in as the root user using the password we've just set. Once logged in, we can explore the initial databases and take a look at the initial users and their encrypted passwords. Now, let's proceed to create a new database. After that, we'll set up another user for administrative purposes. Once we've granted the necessary privileges, we'll log out from the system. After the logout, we'll log back in using the new user ID. Execute flush privileges statement after grant all command. Now, let's log in as another user and observe how they can only view and manage the resources allocated specifically to them. This user access control is a fundamental aspect of our database setup. Now, we're taking the next step by creating a simple table in our database. This is a critical part of testing the database system. Once our test succeeds, you'll have a database system that's fully prepared for real-world operations. Thank you for joining us in this comprehensive guide on MariaDB, MySQL, database service configuration in AlmaLinux 9.2. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your journey to mastering database management. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support keeps us going. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments section below. We're here to help you every step of the way. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy database management.